I hear say Ghana footballers don't play South African people wayo for the FIFA World Cup qualifier where they play. And now I hear say SA people don't dey vex they para. Because they claim say the penalty where they play, even blind man go say they cheat them for that game. And say as it be, them no go gree. For my people who never watch that match, they can follow me see.
Who takes it, and that swinging ball that's just over the head of Andre Ayew. Ghana player goes down as a penalty. Daniel Amarte fouled in the box, and the ref a yellow card. Ayew scores. Ghana take the lead. Then Ghana will top the group.
Hey referee. Even me wey be say I know they watch, but me I know say this one na fake thing. I know say they don't grease your hand, they don't give you some kind of money to go play this kind wayo. Because it is very clear, everybody they see and say Ojo na play. So how come na when they claim say na Ghana win for this one? But now yes, say this Bafana people they don't come outside, they complain. Say they don't rob them of their rights and say now they demand for a rematch. They want make this match, make them replay. Because to them, you know they fair. It be like say the referee just they support Ghana, say they don't know what Ghana do to them. I be they don't even know what themselves do to the referee. Be say the referee just they against them. Because the whole match where they play, this one they don't even play with Ghana footballers. Now the referee now they just they tackle them. And say they also blame Betway on another company, that betting company. Say it be like say themselves they don't pay this referee. Because when people don't know business, okay, this game is very predictable. Then say Congo decide to pay the referee, say making change everything. And see as it be, them no go agree. Say they deserve, Ghana no even deserve them at all. And say that they beg on the FIFA company, may they try arrange rematch for them. Now what these people they ask, so and I go like them if FIFA go fit do this one for them. Because everybody see and say Ghana no deserve this one. They just use their maybe their influential things and maybe they get money. Ghana why they do this kind of one. Anyways, my people, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. One upcoming blogger don't come outside they explain wetin in Quanta for the hand of one TV3 presenter by name Nanaba Anamwa. E get one trending video of a guy where be say this guy go for audition. Before we go see, now there they begin roast this guy for there. Begin chop am. Well, based on what we hear say this guy na person wey say in they always insult celebrities. Now why I see reach this place like this, they decide to give him your own meter. For my people who never watch this video, you can follow me watch.
Present your political show.
Welcome to another edition of
has a blog
write fact, so I don't think I'll be
you write
facts.
When you write this, hey Sewa, we know what you've been up to in this country. What do you know?
Where did you pick that from?
That is your Twitter page.
Okay.
That
Twitter is our agenda.
What's this agenda? So in other words, it's about fooling and saying stupid things. That is meant to tarnish someone else's image. What's this factual about what you've written about Sewa?
I mean, Twitter is a different word, you know.
How? Twitter?
get that right. You can't even spell am I. You can't even spell it. Yet you think you can sit behind a phone and write crap on Twitter about people. Simple am I. You can't spell it. But that's not the point. You question people's relevance. How relevant do you think you are? Because I've seen tweets of you rubbishing Lydia Forson too.
I need to get the source of. I mean,
it's your phone. Your phone is in your pocket.
So you said you deal with facts. Yes. No, we wrote just on October 10 that the 4.5k issue that person is paid more than you at GH1 TV.
Do you know my salary?
I mean, how did you know?
That's why I'm telling you that what you see on Twitter is different from.
You sit on Twitter and you write utter nonsense about people. You've said horrible things about me, Sewa, Lydia Forson, Bridget, other people on your Twitter. Here I am. Say it to my face.
Why should I?
Why shouldn't
you?
Because Twitter is not real life.
I have always said that people who bully people, when they see them, they can't even talk.
You can't even.
You're a very clear example of those people.
You can't. if you sit on Twitter and you say that it's a different life, and you can insult Lydia Forson that you haven't met before, and if you meet her, you will go shush.
In fact,
you
you
can't
can't
speak
even-
like right now.
Because it looks like when you meet real human beings, you can't express
speak.
yourself.
You cannot. You go back on Twitter and write crap.
Yes.
Go ahead. I don't
At least.
care.
Hey, they really want to chop this guy alive. See, question is whether they carry come back front and center. Or God just stand there like zombie, he no even know waiting he go talk again. But this one we wanna watch now waiting the lady now about the show us, okay, now waiting happen be this. Now here say this guy self now don't come outside, they tell us in one part of the story. Him they claim say this audition when go, him pay money or say no be free, he enter that place. A whole 10 Ghana cedis, person monthly food. Where person fit use at the chop, now this guy pay. Say make him use and enter this place. And I say go there, he say 8 o'clock sharp, now he don't reach there. Before he go see this our celebrities, in fact, evening don't reach. Now by 4:30, now they let up answering him. Now fine and good, time don't reach for the whole thing. They begin question him. And I see inform them, say him na blogger. They say na there everything change. From auditioning, this thing turn to roasting. Now so they begin cast and bind am like saying don't do something way bad. I say him they claim say na Twitter na him they post that one. This one na another life na him they post the thing for. Maybe for in life he no realize say one day he go meet these people. I don't know which village people pursue am, after which you don't know, so you don't insult all of these celebrities. You can't still decide say you won't go this place. But the guy they claim say fine and good. After they insult him and everything, they tell him say make him leave the stage. I say fine, he respect himself, carry himself, come up for the stage. But as they go, now so one woman can't still meet him again say so he no fit apologize now there because he don't already dey vex because wetin him pay for he no even get am. Now there him face this woman say wetin dey even worry this woman? Say make this woman no talk to am like that. Now there wahala start. I hear say this woman try say she won't give us that. Now there him block this. I don't know the kind of action feel they happen for here. But he claim say he block the woman before we go see the woman don't go carry camera stand. Say he won't use and beat her. Say now there him begin run for him life. Say before we go see other people say begin pursue and they shout thief. According all this thing happen for this audition grant. And we know hear about this one. Now only one part now we gonna hear about. Say as they pursue and there him fly jackpot for in life. And say as he be like this in life they at risk. Because in the fear, you go be better Nigerian storyteller because the way you set this whole thing. In fact, me I no go lie, I don't believe all this your ending story. But the only problem with me I get now, these presenters they no do well. This one you pay to come do a show. Therefore, just put your things aside. Whatever one I get online, you put am one place. Face business, making a face am normally. No be about carry another personal matter. You can't carry am now on top of stage. Una forget say on herself we sit down, they dey pay una to do una work. Una don't forget say no be una get TV station. Now there me I get issues. But I sure say this one it go serve as lesson. All these people say they go dey hide their face. They type things, something wey be say they don't see. They go talk and say, okay, now then they pay this one salary because the guy they talk say even money when and now they collect. Even person wey be saying they talk about say the person no go fit earn the money. In which you no even know how much this person they collect in the first place. So, but anyway, me I sit down in the claim now say in life they at risk. I don't know who go carry security, they guide them. Because now it don't make this thing be like saying a threat, like saying they fear. But now our Ghana police we go make them begin secure the guy, make a check out in life, make they no come go kill him. But anyways, my people, now this one now here, now make I bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story.